Okay, so now I'm waiting for yet another required weekly test of no weather radio on my Sangean CL100, but this time I have it set onto standby mode rather having it completely on, so we're going to see if it works. Here we go. Alright, it works. Wow, that was loud.
And same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day.
Oh, hello.